Okay, so this is my final project for CSE205. Name's Hayden Jacobs. This is my server program. I have 3 different programs. I wanted to create a GUI, but I ran out of time. I did not. The project is pretty scuffed, not going to lie, but we're going to see what we can do with it. So this is the server file. I have client 1 and then client 2. These are replicas of each other. This is basically going to be one person on the server and another person on the server. I used server sockets and the socket import to help me out with this. That's something I'm a little bit familiar with from old high school classes. For some reason, I remember my high school stuff a little better than this stuff. I don't know why, but I'm rolling with it anyways. So the way the program works, run the server. And once the server's on, should display on here. Oh, oops. There we go. All right, so this just tells me the server's on. There's no errors. That's a good thing. There was a lot when I started. Then, whenever a client wants to join, you just launch the client, similar to how you would launch your own personal program to join a server. So the client runs, and now we're on client, so the server's going to be here. From here, then I want to enter a username. Let's do John Smith. Okay, and then you want to enter a valid password. If you press enter without a password, it says please try it again because there's no characters, but I'm going to go and enter test as my password. I couldn't figure out how to do the dots. I wanted to remember, but then it said John Smith is joining the chat. If I go to the server, it'll say John Smith is not connected to the chat. Right, and then obviously you could type whatever you want. Hi, hello there. Okay, and we got some commands. So if you type /help, it'll show you the list of available commands. There's history, which will display all the chat history to the console. I have that saved on a text file that's included over here, the chat history.txt. It saves to that. I have the nickname, so it'll do /nick. If you type here, I'll do one here. Cool. Making sure it had to update. So if you do /nick, you press space and then the new name. I want my nickname to be bruh. So my name now is bruh. It'll update that on the server. Change it into bruh. Cool. Hello there. Awesome. Okay. And it does the same thing with password. It's literally the exact same program. And then help, you already saw. Password, yeah, help, history, okay. And then if you do quit, it will close the program. So /quit. It closes the client, and then it's supposed to say that they left the server. Clearly, something's not working right with that. But that's okay. So that's how that works. So that's the client closed. The server's still on. So say I want to come back, and let's say let me enter my nickname. Test. Hi. Cool. All right. Hello. Awesome. Test is in the server. Cool. Let's say I have another client that wants to join this server as well. Client 2 can join in. Zenith and password awesome sauce 1. Cool. Zenith has joined the chat. If you look on the server, they're both now connected to the chat. It'll also say Zenith has joined the chat there. So if I type hello test, it'll update right away, and that is thanks to the server sockets. It is completely online, and the port is editable. So if you port forward your system, you could host the server completely, and the commands are going to be the same. So hello, right? And it updates your record back and forth, and all the chat history goes into this. And then, yeah, that's how it works. So Zenith can quit. Test will quit, and it closes the server. You just press the red button. And that's it. All right. And that is my project.